Don't give it to him straight away.
You hold it this side and I'll hold it. Happy birthday.
How is he going to grab that? Right by there.
No, because he just sneezed on me like twice. Yes.
Look how hairy his mouth is. See the hairs on his mouth?
That one spits everywhere from me.
He does, and that's what they do. He's just been eating sugar. He's got a sugar rush. Gluggo, is it? Look how big he is to you, Tom. His head is bigger than you.
No, please, not the trunk, not the trunk.
No, you got to get some sugar cane for him.
No,
What are you
I'm
doing?
saving my sugar cane. You like Lego?
Can you just go back if somebody wants to see on our